meet up with a buddy of mine, Drew, Clay, and a guy I'm not sure if I've met or not. His name's Daniel. So we're going to meet up down here, and we're going to go for a little ride today. You guys have met Clay before, I think. He's got the red 600RR, and Drew has a 2017 ZX10R, and he just got that thing not too long ago. So he's had it for a little bit now, though. But for me, you know, I feel like it was just like last week when he got it, when in reality he's probably had it about a year now, honestly. But we just haven't had a chance to ride. I'm going to meet up with those fellas, and we're going to get us a little bit of a ride in today. So can't wait to see what happens with that. Well, it's usually not that crowded.
Oh, I was gonna say, it would be our luck to get behind all these damn cars.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go this way, and it's gonna bring us into, and then we're gonna take a right at some point, and then we'll end up in. It's a Glock 19. Whew.
You're the only person I've ever seen get with a helmet on.
This is my first time on a Ninja 1000, I think. Alrighty. I ain't gonna pass you up. Oh my God, it's so light. I love it. It's great. Oh boy. Oh shit. Ooh boy. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! This thing is awesome! It feels so good! That is crazy! Wow! Oh my God, this is not good! This is not good at all! This isn't good, because now I'm gonna have to get one! What am I saying? Man, this is probably the fastest bike I've ever ridden in my life. Really? This is bad. It's not good.
That some of this up there feels so good.
Dude, this thing feels amazing. Well, I mean, I've done a lot to it. Like, this thing is like, it's so crisp. It's like, it's so, like, the only thing that kind of tripped me up about it is the throttle. It's a little, it's got a little bit of take up. Huh?
It's a little loose on it.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of take up, but dude, after that, like, when I switched to second, it came up. Like, it wheelied for sure. Like that much, but dude, it was, I could feel it. Like the tire, there was like no pressure on the front tire, and it was just like dancing on the road.
Front tire hardly, like it just stays floating on the ground the whole time.
It's, man, it feels so good.
She got it right in there.
That's, oh my God, why'd you let me do that?
Yeah, I want to adjust that. I'm kind of scared to play with it. They were supposed, when I had it serviced this last time, they were supposed to check it. They said it was all right.
It's right up in here somewhere.
I'll adjust it a little.
Well, that was nice. Thank you. Y'all hungry?
I'm gonna stop in town. Someone give me something to eat.
Okay. Where you headed?
What's going on?
Yeah, I reckon. I might meet back up with y'all, but I'll just let you know. I'll shoot you a text or something. All right. See y'all. Thank you.
Got it. We'll stop in town. Give me something to eat.
Dadgum.
I'm on the wrong bike for this.